Okay, good day. Hey, I've got the Kurt hitch mounted, and you can see how cool this is. You just pull the pin in there, and then that just goes over the ball. You put the pin back in, put that pin, and bada bing. And it is simple, no fuss, no muss. Anyway, that's mounted up, still kind of loose. I've got to tighten it all up. So here's my A-frame that I've been working on. Got it built and got it pinned in, goes through the frame and through the pipe to the cotter pin there, and then same on the other side over there, got matching pin. And in the middle, what I just ended up doing is putting a bolt down through, tacked a nut to the bottom of that pipe. So I got 3 points of attachment. That is good and solid. And that, it's a lot of holes to make in the steel, but got them all drilled out. And everybody's fitting, everybody's happy. And now we're going to be on to the axle. I'll put the axle on next, the brakes, hubs, and wheels, and this thing will technically be able to trailer. So we'll be back real soon. Okay, short but big update. The trailer is on the ground. I got the axle, the brakes, the hubs, and the tires all mounted up. And it's coming together. It's, I'd say it's, I measured it, it's almost 5 inches off the ground at that lowest spot, which is just gobs of clearance as far as I'm concerned. So, there's a few little things to tidy up here in the trailer mode, and then it'll be on to building the platform and getting the table mode working. So, stay tuned.